What's up, YouTube?
We're doing a hype sauce taste test. We're doing a GFUEL.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
We're gonna have a taste test.
Oh, Bailey 2020. Bailey 2020.
Okay.
2020.
Bailey 2020, that's the one.
Right.
Oh yeah.
True. 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Oh, good idea.
We're gonna start with hype sauce, which is raspberry lemonade.
Ooh.
Ooh.
And this
tried
is your
the-
favorite,
Ooh,
correct?
this is my favorite.
You like?
Oh, raspberry.
Okay.
Raspberry lemonade. These are all energy, caffeinated. There's, I think, 160 grams of caffeine per serving.
Okay. I do like that.
Raspberry lemonade wouldn't be my first choice, but it's good. Yeah, me too.
I think I'm gonna give it an 8.
I like
Yeah, I
raspberry.
believe in an 8.
It feels like a battery kind of in the back of my head.
Battery?
Well,
Okay, so
don't say
then
that.
that is not, you don't like that one then basically.
The juice.
Which is
juice.
orange pineapple melon.
Ooh.
That sounds really good.
Oh.
Go for it.
Pop 'em all.
Meal prep.
Okay, so this is the juice,
The juice.
which is orange pineapple milk.
Orange pineapple melon.
Oh, this is nice.
It's giving summer by the pool.
Sour power.
Ooh. I like both of those things.
Yeah.
So.
Look, you're not even on camera.
There's 2 cameras.
I feel like it tastes like the hype sauce.
Yeah, I'm sad. I wanted to love it.
I'm gonna go 7 as well.
6, 7, I don't know.
Alright, next. Gummy Shark.
Gummy Sharks, I think, is
Yeah, no, I
think
don't
it's
remember.
red.
It's just gummy sharks.
And what do gummy sharks taste like?
You don't know what they taste like? No. It's like the gummy sharks. Remember, they're in candy stores, and the top is like a blue gummy, and then the bottom is white.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It should taste
I've
like
never
that.
had
never
that.
had that one.
I like this
I
one.
like that one.
I like this one too. I like that one.
Now we're getting into
Yeah.
the
Single serve.
individual single serves. This is peach rings.
Ooh. Sonic the
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog?
Yeah. Yeah, Sonic came up with it. I like it now.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
You took it in one gulp?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna
That's
give that a
good.
10 actually. 10 out of
I
10
love
for
that.
Sonic rings.
Yeah.
I'm excited for the PewDiePie one.
Yes.
This is
Here
like
we go.
Lincolnberry.
Lincolnberry.
Yeah, I
We
wanted
don't
to
know what
get
that
his cup because it has that pattern on it.
Yeah.
that's
He calls
cool.
it Swedish lasagna.
Well, yeah, we should get it. I don't know what a Lincolnberry is.
That's a little strong.
I think I like it, but
It's a little bit
it's
bitter.
strong. Blue
This-
Bomber slushy.
I think it's like all
Looks like a chug jug. For all my gamers out there,
slurp. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
that's candy.
This is like a. Oh, Lukey, what?
I know. I got it
It's
like
very
it's very sour, sweet.
it feels like sinful. Like how much it tastes like candy.
That is very candy. I'm gonna give that one a 5. I was excited about it, but
I like it. I'm gonna give it a 9.
sage,
Sage
mode,
mode.
which is white peach,
Ooh, another
not
peach.
rings.
That
Yeah.
one was really.
Who's Lukey the most?
Oh, I like that one.
Tastes like emergency.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Crushed up aspirin,
Oh, the good stuff.
Yeah. So that is okay.
It tastes like medicine to me.
Yeah.
I wouldn't. I don't think I would choose it.
Okay.
But what's in that one? Is that like energy or?
They're all
They're all
they're all
energy.
caffeinated.
They're all caffeinated.
Every one of them are caffeinated.
But like, which ones have protein and stuff?
None.
None.
Only that
Protein,
one.
if you're interested in protein, the GFUEL has the energy plus protein, 15 grams of protein, 140 milligrams of caffeine, chocolate, vanilla, and latte. All right, so take your top.
All right. What are we doing? Oh.
Oh.
I need
I don't know-
to change
I don't know
this
where to
back
go
to
from
9. You don't
No,
know.
you add them up. Oh wait, no.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
no, you add them up for each. So hype sauce. What are your scores?
Oh,
I have 8.
I had 6, 7,
Somebody else can do that.
8.
all right.
I
Sour
had
power,
6.
5.
6.
7.
Gummy Shark,
8.
I had a 9.
Sonic,
I had a 9.
I had a 9.
I had a 10.
I had a 10. PewDiePie,
I had a 6.
It's
Six.
PewDiePie, I think.
PewDiePie,
I had a 6.
Blue Bomber,
I had a 5.
I had a 5.
5. I had a 5. I had a 9. Sage,
I had an 8. 26, 30.
the math is mathing.
I got the highest.
Stuck in my throat.
I did the math.
Okay.
I got the highest as Sonic Ring. Second place, I had Gummy Sharks.
Gummy Sharks,
Third place is tied between hype sauce and PewDiePie.
Interesting. Okay.
That's not what
I don't
that
think
has.
so.
Oh.
That's
What'd
not
you have
right.
for PewDiePie?
I got a total of 32.
6, 6, 6,
6 times
and
4 is 24.
6, 6, 6, and 6 is 24. He's like, I know math.
I have a math degree.
Not, but this is too simple.
Hey, I never really got the hang of addition.
Third is hype sauce.
Yes. Okay.
What'd you have for fourth?
I had
The juice.
31 is sage mode.
That's 30.
No.
Well, maybe he just did it by
9,
his.
8, 5?
Maybe
If
he
you do
just
it in your
did
head.
it by his
9,
head.
8, 5.
Yeah.
Okay, 16 plus 9. Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, never mind.
The juice and sage mode were tied for fourth. Fifth is sour power. And then there's a two-way tie for sixth.
Wait.
PewDiePie and Blue Bomber. Top 3, Sonic Rings. I think it's called Peach Ring. I don't think it's called Sonic Rings. It's Sonic's. It's Sonic's Peach Rings.
Peach rings.
Yeah.
And the real gamers out there will know that Sonic collects rings in the game.
Yeah.
All right. Second one is the Gummy Sharks, the blue that looks like Slurp. And third is hype sauce. That's my favorite.
Sorry.
Check out this new cup I got. This is the Ghost Mode cup. It's Pac-Man. All right. We lost the mom, but thanks for joining us.
Here I am.
Hey, thanks for watching and taking part in our taste test. If you have any suggestions for different flavors to try next time, you leave it in the comments. I think the winner was clearly hype sauce.
No.
It was the Sonic Peach Rings.
My math does not reflect.
I like peach rings, gummy sharks, and then hype sauce.
Yes.
But definitely, I mean, everybody's tastes are different. So if you want us to try something else, let
Yeah.
me know in the comments. Thanks for being here. We will see you in the next video.
See ya.
See ya. Bye.
Wait, who's gonna clean all this up?